Hi everyone, this is Stacy in Japan, and today I have a very special treat for you, or rather for me, because I went to another larger mall, supermarket, mall, Eon Mall, near my house. I actually rode my bike, so I went there and I went to the supermarket area and I found papaya. I have not eaten papaya since I left Jamaica in 2006. So that's 2 years and 1 month ago. Yeah. I also found, ah, wait for it, jelly coconut. Yeah, they call it fresh young coconut. I think it's from Thailand, but guys, you would not imagine how much I had to pay for this. That this is about maybe 350 Jamaican dollars. Yeah, you see the size? I haven't tasted it yet though. And this was about 500, 500 Jamaican dollars or more. But I went to the sales section and found it for only 160 yen, which is about probably 180 Jamaican dollars for one papaya. Of course, Japanese people don't know what papaya really is. I was in the store and persons were gathered around looking at the jelly and I could see them wondering, what is this thing? And, I really wanted to go and tell them, oh, it's delicious and stuff, but I just kind of stayed back and just marveled at the fact that, these were actually in the supermarket. I've actually had coconut water in Japan, but in the bottle. I found one in a bottle and also in a little box at Don Quixote shopping store or something. It's very international, right? So I wanted to try this and share this experience at the same time with you. I'm really, really, really hoping it tastes good because my first time buying mangoes, imported mangoes in Japan, was not a good experience. So I'm really, really hoping this will go down well. Okay? 2 years. All right, so let's do this. And by the way, the ones that I saw, probably 600 yen or so, they're kind of green. So, they bring them here green. Okay. Not bad. It looks like papaya. The smell kind of bland. Going in this way. Yeah. This is Jamaican style. Well, maybe other countries do the same thing, but I'm using a spoon to eat it, okay? I hope it is sweet. Ooh. Oh, I also saw tamarind, but why the price? The price. Maybe another time for the tamarind. I mean, in Jamaica, I don't buy tamarind like that unless it's to juice it. So, I wasn't really that enticed. But the papaya, yes, man, that's why I bought two. And I'm hoping it's really, really good so I can go back and buy more because if it's on sale, because at 600 yen, 600 Jamaican dollars for one, no way. Ready? Not bad, not bad. Oishiso. Oishi. Oishi desu. You can go on. Thank you, Lord. Wow. This tastes good, man, not lie. Oh my goodness. I know me have papaya seed. But guess what? It can't grow, yeah, so. So when the time get cold, it not go last. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to enjoy this in peace. So I don't have to be too cute trying to eat this in front of y'all. So bye for now from Stacy in Japan.